welcome back to the vlog. In the last episode, we talked about networking as a new therapist, and today I want to talk about mentorship, which has honestly been one of the most important parts of my growth so far. Because while there are many great resources out there, a lot of your learning really comes from being on the job and really in it every single day. And that's why mentorship is so important. Especially as someone who is transitioning into hand therapy, you are constantly running into things that are not black and white. And having somebody to talk through those moments with, someone to guide your clinical reasoning, to help you in real time, makes such a big difference. Mentors play a huge role when it comes to guiding your clinical skills, but they can also play a role in guiding things like therapeutic use of self, helping with documentation, navigating rehab barriers, and even helping to navigate your path in the field. Personally, I feel really lucky because I was able to get a job with a mentor in my clinic. We work closely together, and I have learned so much being able to talk through cases, ask questions, and honestly just observing how she approaches different situations. And it's not just shaped how I treat my patients now, but she serves as that constant model of the therapist that I want to become one day. I can confidently say that I would not be the therapist that I am today or the therapist that I will be in 5 or 10 years from now without this mentorship. Finding somebody who not only has the knowledge and experience, continues to challenge you in a productive way, and understands the way you learn is so meaningful. And mentorship's not only one-sided. It can be a relationship where both people are learning and growing from each other. You bring a fresh perspective, new knowledge, new ways of thinking, and that matters too. And I think that becomes really important when you're looking for your first job in hand therapy. If you have the option, it will be very beneficial to find a job that has mentorship almost built into the role. That way you have someone that you can learn from consistently and grow with them over time. I know that's not always feasible depending on location, job availability, or other factors, but there are other ways where you can seek out external mentorship opportunities. For example, ASHT has a great mentorship program that's free, it's virtual, and it pairs a new therapist with a more experienced hand therapist to help them with that clinical knowledge. It's a really great way to connect with someone in the field, especially if you're looking to grow and pursue your CHT down the line. We'll link the information about the mentorship program below if you want to check it out. I would love to hear from you guys. Have you had a mentor who has impacted your journey in hand therapy, or are you currently looking for one? In the next episode, we're going to talk about things that I wish I knew before starting my career in hand therapy. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.